Nella, you ready for us to go skiing? Are you gonna guard the house? Say yes. You're gonna guard the house? Oh, she's a good girl. Alright, don't make a mess. Oh, the other one too? Okay. Keep it clean, okay? No parties.
Let's wake up the kids. Hey, cosita.
Let's go skiing.
Are we gonna go skiing, Kiara?
Oh, she's ready to go.
She's ready. Okay, can we go get Kai? You can go ahead. Yes, Phil.
Kai's awake. Ready to go skiing.
Try one time within
Are you going
harness.
skiing, Kai?
One, two.
Yeah? Almost? Almost ready?
One time.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see that.
Kiara didn't want to go alone the first run without even holding my hand. Now she is all on her own, no problem. The second run coming down.
You alright, guys? You alright? ¿Está bien, Kiarita? El muchachito te llevó por delante. Yeah, she's okay. Is okay? Are you okay? Te levanto, Kiarita. A la mano.
You guys need help? You're good?
You good? Okay.